Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Earlier today I sent my macro over to somebody who doesn't know what to do with it, and I don't blame him. So I'm going to Control D, and then I'm going to hit Alternate C, which is a macro to rotate it from the center of the page, and then we can rotate it 22.5 degrees and just go all the way around, and it'll put it all the way around. My Control D is acting a little slow today, but it guarantee it works. Anyway, it's a really cool macro. You know what? Let's try that again. Control Alternate C to have it rotate from the center, and you can just watch it rotate around the center of the page. I kind of invented it, then my mentor, Roy Brewer, made it better. So if you will open up your under Tools, Scripts, and yours might say macros, and put load. And then there it is right there. And it put it in there, and I've already got it several times. But it's not going to stay in there. So what you have to do is go to your, basically your, what do you call it? Just your Windows Explorer search. And I suggest when I email you that, put it on a thumb drive. I have this on my desktop because I'm using it all the time. But you have to put it, so let's kind of start over here. I'm going to type in center, and there it is right there. Do not check on it. Do not check on anything here. Use the arrows only. So we're going to go and we're going to go to the C drive, but I'm hitting the arrow, not hitting the C drive. See, I've already got them open because I've been playing with it. And I want it, let me tell you what, let me close it down somehow. Go to C drive. Yeah, I've already got it open. How do I close that down? Okay. But I've got to go back to where my, so it is a little bit confusing. Go to the, hopefully it'll be shut down this time. It only did that because I was looking, making sure I had it in there. And just type in, you won't have to do this because if you have it on the C drive. So there it is right there. But do not touch it. Then go to C drive. Go down to Program Files. Don't check on it. Check on the little arrow. Go to Corel. Don't check on it. Check on this. Graphics Weeks 20 and then 26 or whatever version you have. Do not click on it. Click on this. Then go to Draw. Don't click on it. Click on this. Then go to GMS. And you can take this, and they won't let me put it there because it's already there. And see, it's telling me to replace it. I don't want to replace it. It'll work how I showed you at first, but this way it will always be there. If you put it, that stands for Global Macros, boy, I ought to know, system, or Global Macro Scripts maybe. Once you've done that, it'll stay in here under your global macros, or actually it's actually not even global macro, it's just macros. And these are all your macros, and see, I've already got it in there twice. And then if you want to make a hotkey for it, so let me open it up. And then right click and assign a keyboard stroke. I set mine, and I'm guessing you're going to have to do this, to alternate C. I did it for center, and then just say okay. Once you've done that, I'm glad I made this video because maybe I didn't ever tell people, but you could click on that and it would work. So I don't care what you make. And let's hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to hold down the control button, but then I'm going to control D and alternate C and rotate it 22.5 degrees. Control D. See, it's rotating around the center of the page. And you can also, my things, I've got so many things working right now, my computer slowed down. But I don't care what it is. I mean, it's just alternate C, center of the page, and it will rotate around the center of the page. I'm sorry if that was a little bit confusing, but once you've got it in here, it'll stay there, but sometimes it'll disappear. If you put it in your global macro file, it'll stay there forever. Anyway, I hope that helped that gentleman and somebody in the future. And I'm going to leave my email at the bottom of this video if anybody wants that control C or alternate C. It's a great macro. Thank you for watching.